give me a hand massage now?
Oh, I can.
Thank you.
Yes. I think that this is coming home with me, okay?
Hey, what's up? My name is Melinda. I'm a Sephora beauty director.
And I'm Hope. I'm from Team Sephora, and it's finally here. Sexual wellness at Sephora. We all know sexual wellness is a part of our overall health and wellness, so we're so excited. We have gathered a few of our favorite picks that we think that, I don't know, maybe you should keep close by, maybe in your bedside table.
So it's convenient.
Yeah.
All right, Hope, let's get right into it. This is one of my favorites. This is from Maude, and this is the Vibrator. It comes in this nice little discreet bag, also nice to kind of keep it clean.
Yeah.
So this is 100% silicone. It's FDA approved, safe for body use, of course. It has 3 speeds, which is awesome. So when you press this button, it'll start kind of light, you press it once more, medium, and then the last one for a little bit more intense.
Yeah.
You can hold it down to turn it off.
Yeah.
What I love is that it has this tapered tip, so it's gonna give you a little bit more flexibility with getting that precision kind of stimulation. If you're a beginner to vibrators, that's totally fine. This is a great place to start. It's super user-friendly, and you can kind of play around with what feels right to you.
I love Maude because they're such an inclusive brand.
Yes.
Like, it doesn't matter what your preference is, like gender, anything, like they know that sexual wellness is for everyone.
Absolutely.
And I mean, with the discreet carrying case,
Yeah.
you don't have to worry about airport security, okay? All right? They're not going through your bag and embarrassing you in line, okay?
Exactly. It's perfect. All right, so I want to debunk something right here, right now.
Let's do it.
It is completely normal and good and okay to use a lubricant. You know, a lot of my girlfriends, they like talk about it and they're like, oh, I don't know. I'm like, there's no shame in using a lubricant. It is completely normal, and it was invented for a reason.
Yes.
And it's going to be your best friend when you're using a vibrator, a tool, something
I know
like that.
that's right.
So this is one of my favorites. It's from Dame. It's the Aloe lubricant with aloe vera. The consistency is really cool. I'll show you what it looks like.
Yeah.
But one of the things I love about it is, of course, it's thoughtfully formulated. So it's going to be without some of those ingredients that you wouldn't necessarily want to put into your body. It has like a really nice slick. You can kind of like feel the aloe, the moisturizing property.
Yeah, it has a slip to it. It's very soft.
Yes.
And it feels very gentle.
Yes. I mean, it's specifically formulated for this purpose. So it's going to make your experience that much better.
Yes. Easier, better, more comfortable. Okay, so next we're gonna talk about a candle, but not just any candle. This is a massage oil candle from Maude, once again. So I actually love this. It is jojoba oil based. So once you do put it on your skin and massage you or your partner, it's very great for the skin. It's softening. It's very
moisturizing
soothing
benefits too.
Exactly. It's very sensual. And so it comes in 3 different types, right? So 2 of them are scented. One of them is unscented. I'm more of an unscented girly myself because I have such sensitive skin. But this one is number 1, which I believe is lemongrass, tonka bean, amber.
That's pretty.
Yeah, medjool date. So it's very warm.
Yeah, warm, comfortable, kind of set the tone.
Yeah,
that makes sense. I also really love that you incorporated a candle because I feel like we don't always think about the fact that a lot of people require a little bit of something to get them in the mood.
Yes.
You know, whether it be throughout the day, especially women. I mean, everyone's different no matter what, but this will definitely help kind of get you in a comfortable mindset if that's something that you need.
Yeah,
you know what
ease
I mean?
into it.
I
love
need that.
Yeah.
I need a little something before to kind of calm me and bring me into the space.
You gotta get there.
Yes.
Well, I think we should light it.
Please?
Yeah,
I'm so
let's do
excited to try it.
Ooh, yes. Okay. I can already smell it. So it has that lemongrass, amber, the cedar. Yeah, it's so warm and inviting.
It actually works pretty quickly too, like as far as melting down the solid candle into the wax that you would use.
So you don't have to wait for it.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it.
Do you got any enough in there? Oh yeah,
let's
it's already
try
in there.
It. Do you want some?
Yes, please.
Ooh, yeah. Ooh, see, yeah, it doesn't burn the skin right away. It's just warm.
Yeah, that's like That's like some innovation.
Yeah, the
That
texture.
feels really good. Not at all too warm.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
It doesn't even feel close to being like it would, you know, it's really comfortable.
It has a low burn temperature.
Yes.
And so it, you know, it burns at a lower temperature, and obviously it doesn't harden on the skin once it hits your skin.
Yeah, so you have some time to play with it.
Exactly. It's very soothing, very soft. I'm loving it.
Give me a hand massage now.
Oh, I can.
Thank you.
Yes. I think that this is coming home with me. Okay? All right?
Yes, definitely. I love this. Also, you
Yeah.
can skip your body lotion.
Yeah,
It's like
right?
a 2-in-1.
2 for 1, baby. Also, let your partner know that you're not just pouring hot wax on them, please. Please. Let them know that this is a massage oil candle. Don't freak anybody out.
Yes, absolutely.
All right, so we're gonna move on from the candle to this amazing scent from FREESHIP. It's called Missing Person. And I know you might not think of a scent as like this sexual wellness product, but this scent is so sensual. It truly smells like someone's skin, like
Right.
just clean skin.
Yes.
It has jasmine, a little bit of musk.
It's
So
really interesting. It almost tricks your mind.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
I don't know what it is about it,
It's
but
very
it makes
hard.
you miss that person that you're like
yes.
lusting after, or that like you really
You
love. and
can't
you're-
quite put your finger
Yes,
on it.
you can't.
Like, and it smells so different to everyone. To me,
That's a good point too. It really
Yeah.
does.
Like, it just smells like, I don't know, some era of some part of my life. I don't know. Like, I've smelled it before, but I can't quite place it.
You remember it from like one of your first crushes? It smells like that person.
Yeah,
You
like
smell-
it's a little warm, a little spicy, but so soft.
I actually thought, because my partner, he does a lot of travel for work.
Yeah.
And when he's gone for like 2-3 weeks at a time, having this to kind of evoke that skin-like quality, I don't know, it just kind of gave me the feeling that he was close by. You know?
Yeah.
So these are just a few of our favorite sexual wellness products at Sephora.
Yeah.
These brands are incredibly inclusive, and they believe, just like Hope and myself, that everyone is entitled to experience pleasure, experiment with it. So let us know in the comments below what you've been loving. We'd love to hear from you. Like this video to show us some love.
Please.
And subscribe so you can see more like this. And we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.